Hi, and thank you for considering ProSolWorks. You may have purchased a gallon-sized concentrate, a quart-sized concentrate, or the ever-popular 4-ounce concentrate, and the kit would have come with an empty spray bottle and with dilution instructions for you to dilute the product for the best application that you wanted to use it for. Today I want to give you 5 tips on how to best get started with using ProSolWorks to clean everything inside your home. All right, let's get started. Okay, to dilute the concentrate into the various types of applications that you wanted to use it for, refer to the concentrate bottle or the ready-to-use bottle. We're going to mix up a medium solution which requires a half cup of concentrate and the remaining amount in water. But we're going to fill the empty spray bottle with water first, right up to about the ready-to-use section for this particular type of application. So we'll put water in here. Okay, and then we need a half cup of concentrate. And then we're going to use a funnel and pour the concentrate into the spray bottle. Then you can rinse the concentrate out of the measuring cup and the funnel. And depending on how high this level is of water, you can either choose to top it off further with water until you reach a decent level or until the bubbles start coming up to the neck of the sprayer. Then you can replace the spray bottle with the sprayer. Give it a little bit of a shake and you're ready for whatever application that you wanted to clean. So that's how you mix it up. And you just refer to the directions regarding the extra light, medium solution, heavy, or a custom blend. Remember, this is not an exact science. So if you have a half-empty bottle and you have a big cleaning job, you want to fill it up, you can estimate of how much concentrate you want to put in there and then top it off with water. Or top it off with water a little bit and add concentrate so you don't have the soapy, sudsy look when you're trying to fill up the spray bottle. So that's how you dilute it. So one thing I want to mention is that after you have filled up the concentrate or diluted the concentrate down to a ready-to-use solution, you want to mark whatever solution that you're using. So just simply take and either highlight the area or put a circle around there to highlight so you know that this is a medium solution. And this is for your general cleaning countertops or cleaning your cabinets or cleaning anything throughout the home. And then there's, of course, different applications for other applications too. So here's a pro tip. Once in a while, the burnt-on food really sticks. So sometimes we have to use straight concentrate to put on that spot and let it sit for 5, maybe 10 minutes, depending on how stuck on it is, before it will release itself and we can easily clean it up. The name of the game with ProSolWorks is really about letting the product work for you rather than you working for the product. Okay, so one of the things I really like about ProSolWorks is the fact that you can use it on cabinets. As you know, the hood of ranges gets really greasy and caked on with grease and all that sort of thing. And sometimes you have to use special formulas, cleaning products, to clean these things without having the varnish being taken off. Well, ProSolWorks solves that problem because it's versatile enough to use it on even your high-end cabinets. So you spray it on, and then you let it sit. Let it sit for a little while, let the greases release and all that sort of thing. It's not going to harm the finish of your cabinets. It's not going to soften the polyurethane or anything like that. After it's done, after it's worked, after it's cleaned up, or after it has soaked for a little bit, rested, then you just wipe it down and then dry it. And you have a nice, clean, grease. So let's talk about carpets. ProSolWorks medium solution is what we generally use at our house to clean stains from juices, spills from plants, pet stains, and all that sort of thing. And so what we generally do is we usually follow the manufacturer's instructions. We spray the spot, let it sit, kind of work it into the fabric a little bit. And then after a while, after we do that and let it sit for a while, then we start blotting. So we blot, and once in a while we'll kind of work it in a little bit, and if we have to reapply the solution, then we just reapply it on the spot that needs to be applied, and we just let it sit there for maybe 20 minutes, and then we come back and we blot it again. And eventually the stain will usually come out. Now, ProSolWorks is not a miracle product. It does a whole lot better than most products on the market today, and it's more versatile because you can use it anywhere in the home. So I just wanted to let you know that ProSolWorks can clean almost anything, and in most cases it does a really, really good job. The thing is that you just have to use your imagination and think of ProSolWorks as an option for your cleaning needs. And so I encourage you to try different things, try different dilution ratios and that sort of thing, and see what works best for you. I think eventually you'll find that ProSolWorks will be your go-to product. Thanks again. So again, I want to thank you for considering ProSolWorks. We appreciate your business, and we hope that these tips will help you get a jump start on success with using ProSolWorks. I hope we've demonstrated the versatility of one product being used everywhere throughout the home and being effective at what it's doing. So with that, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.